Hello, Group 1. This is Mrs. Nelson, and be ready with your Group 1 We Do sheet. We're going to do this together, so when I write, you write. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We have our piece of paper, we have our pencil, and we will be filling this form out together. Alright, so you guys are looking at area, and I did notice some things that you guys were able to do and were not able to do. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to look at is we are going to look at finding area. When you solve for area, you will be multiplying two dimensions. You'll be doing width and you'll be doing length. So you'll be doing length times width. So my length is 4. My width is 9. So length is 4, width is 9. Length times width. So 4 times 9 is going to be 36. So my area is 36 because I multiply my length and I multiply my length and my width. This is my length, this is my width. Okay, so I multiply length times width. Now, for my perimeter, I have to go in and I need to add all the sides. It's just repeated addition. So to do that, I need to make sure that I have all my sides labeled. So I have 9 and 4. I need to put the 9 here, over here, and the 4 down here. So I have 4 top and bottom, 9 side to side, because the 9 on this side is the same as the 9 on this side. The 4 up here is the same as the 4 down there. Now, if this was a true, honest-to-goodness rectangle, it would be 9 on top, 9 on bottom, 4 and 4. That would be more proper, but just work with what I have. We'll just go with it. Alright, so it could be 4 feet and 9 inches. How's that? Because then it would be big and little. So 4 feet, 4 feet. So we're going to add the 4 feet plus the 4 feet. We're going to add the top and the bottom length. Then we're going to add the 9 plus the 9. So right side, left side. Left side, right side. So we're going to add 9 and 9, the two sides. This side and this side. So that'll be 18, and then the 4 on top and the 4 on bottom for length. The lengths will be 8. So I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry the 1, and then that'll be 26. So my perimeter is 26. So 26 and 36. Those are my answers. Okay? So, now, looking at area here. This is a perfect square, so I know all of my sides are going to be the same side. So 2 here, so that'll be 2, 2, and 2. Now to find the area, I need to multiply to the length, and width. So length and width. So I need to multiply length times width. And that will be 2 times 2, which equals 4. So my area is 4. Now my perimeter, I just have to add all the sides. So I am going to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to add all the sides. So I will add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And that will be 2, 4, 6, 8. So my perimeter is 8. So my area here, my area is 4, my perimeter is 8. Okay, so scrolling down just a little bit more here, let's look at another one to make sure we have this completely understood. Alright, so my area and my perimeter. So my area, I need to multiply length times width. So 3 is my length, and 7 up and down is my width. So that's going to be 21. because 7 times 3 or 3 times 7 is 21. So my area is 21. My perimeter, I need to mark that out. So I have 3 on the top, so 3 on the bottom will be the same. So that'll be 3 on this guy. 7 on this side, 7 here. This means that this side over here, on this side, will be the same. So 7 here. So then I will have 3 plus the 3, add the top, add the bottom, add the right, add the left. So 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 3 plus 3 is 9. So you add that up. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1, and that's 23. So my perimeter is going to be 23. That's my perimeter. So area 21, perimeter 23. Area is multiplication. Perimeter is addition for right now. All right, so now looking at this one, remember, this is a square. This guy is a square, so all of our sides are exactly the same measurement. So our area, again, we are going to measure length times width. Length times width. Our length is 9 across. Our length is across the top or across the bottom. It doesn't matter. So our length is going to be 9. Our width, how tall is it really? It looks like how tall it is, but really how wide, because we're looking at it as if we're looking at it from the top, and that is going to be 9. So that's going to be area 81. Okay, you need to write out all the formulas for this. Write out all the equations. So now our perimeter then is going to be adding up all the sides. So our perimeter then, if we're looking at it, is going to be this plus this plus this plus this. So perimeter is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. So our perimeter is 36 because 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. All right, so now we're going to move down here to finding the multiples. Multiples are basically skip counting. So if you go 18, and then you say, well, 8, so if I do that, so my first one, 18 plus 18, so 18 plus 18 is 36. So then my next number is 36. So there's 2 skip counts. There's 1 skip count, 2 skip counts, and now I'm going to do 3 skip counts. So 18 plus 6, so that'll be 24, or excuse me, that'll be 12. So 8 plus 2 more is 10, plus 4 more, so that's going to be, I totally messed that one up, is going to be 14. So 14, carry the 1, so 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. So this will be 54. So this is my first 3 skip counts, 18, 36, 54. That's the skip counts. Okay, and then this is 18 times 1, 18 times 2, and 18 times 3. Those are the answers to those. So 18 times 1 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is going to be 54. Okay, what are the first 3 multiples of 32? So 32 times 1 is going to be 32. Okay, 32 times 2 is going to be 64. And 32 times 3, because that's the first 3 skip counts, is going to be 96. So those are your first 3 skip counts. These are your first 3 skip counts. Okay, those are the first 3 multiples. Okay, because 32 plus 32, 32 plus 32, 32 plus 32, that's what this is. And then 32 plus 32 plus 32 is going to be 96. All right, questions, concerns, please get this done on your own. Turn this in. If you have questions or concerns, please see me. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.